MS, this transporter is not looking so complicated, eh?
No, you know what? I actually think this T5 is looking better than this T5.
It's going to be much easier because there's a front wheel drive. That's a four motion. It's much more complicated. What we're going to do now is we're going to hook up our engine and gearbox onto our engine hoist, try and get this moved into the T5 that's on the hoist bay here. Try and line up everything so that we can start planning for all the engine mountings. Okay, let's get this engine hoist out from the R36 engine and gearbox. How's that, okay?
I think you can turn it a bit more.
Go. Perfect. Let's go. I think we did it this way the last time, right? Let's get it hooked up. There we go. Let's get this in here. You can check it out for us. Need to check here. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come. Okay, hold it there. Let's just check these pipes. Don't want it to get damaged here. Okay, it's fine like that. We're gonna need to lower the car a bit, but it won't go too low. Try and lower it a bit fast. Let's see. Whoa, like just there, right? Okay, let's go. Check this guy up. Let's check the engine up. Okay, let's go. I have to go quite high. I have to make clearance for this engine that's going in there. This gearbox must go higher than that. I think it's fine. Yeah, whoa. Let's get it pushed in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's push this side. There we go. Let's go in. Slowly. Let me check on that side what's catching. Let's get this wiring harness on top of the engine. For now, we just keep it on top. Okay, ready?
Good to go.
Just check it. What's here? This is the output shaft for the rear. Okay, let's go move forward. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's see. Gonna have to start dropping it slowly. Can you get it? Wait, hold on. Just need to get past here. Yeah, that's it. Drop it slowly, né? Go slow. Hold on. Hold it there, right?
Okay.
So let me see here. Yeah, we're getting in there. Lower it a bit for me. Go down slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, go.
More.
Go more slowly. Hold on. I think here the gearbox is sitting on the subframe. Check it a little bit. Just need to get past this. Okay. There we go. See on this side. Okay, go again slowly down. Hold on. Just hold on. Okay, check it.
Should I jack more?
Now we need to get this bottom piece past.
The whole crane needs to go in a bit.
Let's see. Yeah, I think the engine crane needs to go more forward. Let's push the crane more forward. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Right, hold it there now, that's better. Drop it slowly. Very slow, right? A little bit. Just a little. Down. Yeah. It's coming. It's getting there. Go down. Go slowly. Okay, hold on. It's resting on the subframe again. On this side. It's a very tight fit.
Yeah.
Check it again for me. Okay, hold it. Drop it slowly. Slowly. Yeah, go again slowly down. Not fast, right? Slow. Hold it there. Okay, let's see on this side. Looks like this. The sump is sitting on the chassis, on the subframe. That's a problem. We need I think we're gonna need our smaller jack. We got to jack up the gearbox on this side. Or, hold on, we can put something here and control it with the hoist. That will work. You understand, no?
Yeah.
It's just to control the height of this. But we can put the jack in here again. Let's put the jack inside here. Let's push this guy in. Okay, check it there for me. Go for it. Yeah, hold on. Check it again. Yes. There we go. But you see the problem we got is the engine is tipped too much on this side. This side is up, that side is down.
Yes, we need to lift this side.
Yeah, get it lifted. Got to balance it out. How's that? Tight space. So if that's how the engine sits, then it's straight. You see, like this, it's gonna sit straight. Yeah, this would be a good guide to see where we must put it. Let's see. It's not exactly the same bracket, it needs to be modified. So check, let's go there. That's where it goes. Look how much back it needs to move.
Yeah, that's far.
That's very far. Okay, let's try and lower it a bit. You're gonna have to lower one at a time, this one and then the jack on the bottom. Let's go slowly. Go down. Hold on. You're not on this. Okay.
So lower it more.
This is gonna knock on this bracket, see. How's it on that side?
I think the gearbox is sitting on the subframe again.
Looks like it, right?
Yeah.
But if I check this height, look, we're almost there. In fact, the engine needs to come up on this side. So jack it up for us a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop, right? Check it. Whoa, stop just there. So that's about the height of the engine on this side. All right, that's good. Okay, so this side here, it's about there. So I'm looking at the height from where this mounts onto the chassis to here. That's almost there. What we're gonna have to check is how much forward can we come still, because here at the back, if you have a look on this side here, if you check here, we're already touching the booster, and that's the challenge we got always on the T5s, is that the intake manifold is always touching the booster. But we're gonna try and keep this engine level. So let's see if we can manage. But from what I see here is that everything is moved forward a lot, because this mounting is actually supposed to be there. That's where it's supposed to be. So we're about, sure, maybe 10 centimeters forward.
That's not good.
That's a lot, yeah. But let's keep it there with C for now. All right. On that side, what's holding it there?
Yeah, it's catching on the subframe again by the gearbox.
Oh, I see. It's on the subframe on the side.
Yeah.
So it needs to move. It needs to move. It needs to move in. Huh? I think so. Check it up a little bit. Seems like this whole bottom end needs to move back. Okay, let's try and go again. Okay, how's that? Lower the jack a little bit. Go down slowly. Going down?
No, it's not catching on the teeth, on the jack.
Oh, it's a bit of a difficult position.
Yeah.
Let me see. Not catching.
No.
Turn. Oh no. Okay. There we got it a bit there. So here it's on. Let's see on this side. Okay, check it again. A little bit, right? Oh wait, you can't go too much. It's against the booster. Slow down. Go down. Go down, go down. Whoa. Need to try and move this in here, but okay, check again. Hold on. Just there. Really can't move a lot this side, eh? Sure. Okay, we're gonna have some big challenges on this one. Not so easy. It's not so easy. Okay. Okay, so we got a complication with this engine sump. The engine sump is touching on the subframe. It's a struggle because what we need to do is we need to get the bottom half of the engine pushed more back, because you can see the drive shaft outputs on the gearbox. It's totally misaligned from the wheels. So that's not going to work. We have to get this back. maybe on the camera. Let's see if I can show quickly if we can catch it on the camera to see where the sump is touching the subframe. There you can see. So on the back corner there, that's where your sump is touching on the subframe on the corner. It's preventing us from pushing this engine back. So it's a bit of a complication. What we'll do is, I think the best MS is we remove the sump from this engine. Then we'll try again a second trial, get the engine fitted into its position without the sump. And then we can see what modification is needed to the sump, or if we need to get another sump for this engine. Because the owner did say he could possibly get us a original sump from R32 T5 that could work. So maybe that would be one option. But yeah, here you can check over on this side. This was our R32 that came out of the T5. The modification we done there was we cut a lot of material out from the sump, we modified it, and this made clearance for the subframe. So that was easy on that one. But yeah, we'll try it on this T5. Let's get the sump out, we see how it fits, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah, I must say the previous episodes we were running quite smooth. It was all the stripping, removing wiring and so on. Now the struggle starts, but we'll get past these challenges and it should get smoother again with time. So for now, I think, yeah, let's stop for today. It was a bit of a struggle. We'll continue again in our next episode. Please remember to
like and subscribe,
and we'll see you in our next one.